2017 Kawasaki Ninja 300 was recently launched in the US for a starting price of $4,999. The motorcycle is a great option for beginners with licensing restrictions and can help the rider experience the Ninja series through this twin-cylinder machine. The motorcycle is powered by the same 296cc engine, producing 39 PS of maximum power and 27 Nm of maximum torque. It comes mated to a 6-speed gearbox. The motorcycle comes with slipper clutch and uses 32mm dual throttle bodies. The other additions on offer includes the ABS version, $5,299, KRT Edition, $5,499, and Winter Test Edition, $5,599. Apart from an all-new shade in the Winter Test Edition, the motorcycle carries a bigger 150-section tire, bigger windshield and a rear seat cowl. The all-black finish looks really exciting while the pinstripes stays green on the Winter Test Edition. The motorcycle comes with 140mm rear wheel as standard. It comes with front 37mm forks while the rear uses uni-track adjustable suspension. The brakes on the other hand includes 290mm front 220mm rear disc brake. ABS is being offered on all models, except base, as standard. Ninja 300 still uses the semi-digital instrument console that comes with an analog tachometer. Kawasaki offers the Ninja 300 with eye-catchy shades and competes successfully against Yamaha R3 and KTM RC390 in every market. Ninja 300 has a design inspiration from the flagship liter class ZX-10R. Kawasaki might bring the new shades in India in 2017. Displacement 296cc. Maximum power 38.5 bhp at 11,000 revolutions per minute. Maximum torque 27 Nm at 10,000 revolutions per minute. No. Of cylinders 2. No. Of gears 6. Seat height 785mm. Ground clearance 140mm. Curb, wet weight 172 kg. Fuel tank capacity 17